Operation of the E613 series gas-fired convection oven for correctional facilities. The information in this video is intended for the use of qualified operating personnel. We recommend following these instructions to ensure optimum performance, long life, and trouble-free service from the oven. Please read the information contained in the operation manual for more detailed instructions. Oven controls. This oven comes with an electromechanical V-controller panel. There are 7 controls. First, the power switch, which controls power to on or cool down function. Next, the indicator light. When lit, indicates burners are operating. When the light goes out, the oven has reached its cooking temperature. The cooking thermostat controls the oven temperature. The cooking timer sounds an electric buzzer on expiration of operator set time, as a reminder to remove the product at the end of the cooking cycle. The light switch controls the interior lights. The fan speed switch sets the fan speed to high or low. Use the low speed to keep food warm after baking is finished. Use high speed for preheating and baking. And finally, the manual gas shutoff valve, which turns the gas supply to oven controls on or off. Cooking. A cooking cycle can be initiated as follows. Turn the power switch to the cook position. Set the cooking temperature by turning the temperature dial to the desired temperature. The temperature control displays the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature range is from 150 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in 25-degree increments. The oven ready indicator light will turn on. When the oven ready indicator light turns off, place the product to be cooked in the oven. Set the cooking time by turning the cook timer dial to the desired time. The timer displays time from 0 to 60 minutes in 1-minute increments. During the cook cycle, the oven ready indicator light will cycle on and off with the heating elements. When the cook timer reaches 0, the alarm will sound. To cancel the alarm, turn the cook timer dial to the off position. Cool down. This feature enables the oven to be cooled rapidly by allowing the fan to operate with the burners turned off. The fan speed can be set to high or low speed by placing the fan high-low button to the desired setting. To activate, turn the power switch to the cool position and open the oven door. When the door is open enough to disengage the door switch, the fan will turn on. Closing the door will turn the fan off. Cleaning the oven. The stainless steel on the oven can be kept clean with a good stainless steel cleaner, many of which are on the market. The painted surfaces should be wiped clean regularly with a mild detergent. Do not use chlorine cleaners. Moisten a cloth and wipe down the oven while it is cold. Wiping down an oven while it is hot will cause streaking and otherwise unsatisfactory results. Once the oven is clean, it can be wiped down with light oil. Porcelain oven interiors should be cleaned regularly using a degreasing agent. For heavier deposits, a commercial oven cleaner can be used. Care must be taken to prevent these alkaline-type cleaners from coming in contact with any aluminized steel surfaces in the oven, including the blower wheel. The sheet pan supports can be removed and washed in the dishwasher. It is recommended that you do this on a daily basis. Location of the oven. Proper planning and placement of the oven will give the best results with respect to long-term user convenience and satisfactory performance. The oven should be placed in an area that is free from drafts and accessible for proper operation and servicing. The area around the oven must be kept clear of combustible materials. A minimum clearance of 1 inch on the right and left sides must be maintained between the oven and any combustible surface, and a clearance of 3 inches from the rear and 8 inches from the floor must be maintained between the oven and any combustible or non-combustible surface. Ventilation. A good ventilation system will allow the oven to function properly as well as remove unwanted vapors and products of combustion. Not venting the ovens properly can result in unsatisfactory cooking results as well as the possibility of damaging your oven. To keep your warranty in force, a proper ventilation system must be employed, either direct vented or under a canopy. Please refer to your installation and operation manual for instructions. Warnings. To avoid damage to the oven or injury to the operator, installation and service must always be performed by qualified personnel. The E613 series convection oven relies on electricity for powering the ignition system and the fan. Do not attempt to operate during a power failure. This appliance is equipped with a 3-prong or grounding plug for your protection against shock hazard and should be plugged directly into a properly grounded 3-prong receptacle. Do not cut or otherwise remove the grounding prong from this plug. Important note: when the oven is supplied on casters and is connected to the supply piping by means of a connector for movable appliances, the oven must be equipped with a restraint, and if disconnection of the restraint is necessary, reconnect this restraint after the oven has been returned to its originally installed position. For more detailed instructions, please read the information contained in the operation manual.